The stop button disarms the remote control and stops your Tranz Volt. The start button activates your Tranz Volt. The jog button allows you to reposition your Tranz Volt. The up button moves your Tranz Volt up on the track section. The down button moves your Tranz Volt down on the track section. The home button sets the home locations on your Tranz Volt. Step 2. Wireless remote control functions. Press the start button, followed by the home button, to set the initial top home position. Your Tranz Volt will slowly climb to the top cap assembly and return to the bottom starting position. Press the up button once to lift your Tranz Volt to the top home location. Press the down button once to lower your Tranz Volt to the bottom home location. Press the stop button to stop your Tranz Volt. Press start to resume operating your Tranz Volt. You can stop your Tranz Volt at any point while the Tranz Volt is in motion. You can reposition the Tranz Volt by using the jog feature. Press and hold the jog button and the up button to move your Tranz Volt to a taller position. The jog feature will not alter your home locations. Press and hold the jog button and the down button to move your Tranz Volt to a lower position. The jog feature will not alter your home locations. You can modify the home positions on your Tranz Volt at any time. To modify the top home position, jog the Tranz Volt to the new position. Press and hold the home button and up button together. This will reset your top position only. To modify the bottom home position, jog the Tranz Volt to the new position. Press and hold the home button and down button together. This will reset your bottom position only. Pressing the stop button temporarily disarms the Tranz Volt. This allows for safe loading and prevents accidental movement of the Tranz Volt until you reactivate your remote control by pressing the start button. Always deactivate your remote whenever your Tranz Volt is not in use. Removing a battery from your Tranz Volt will reset any homing locations. Use the quick reference guide for instructions. Contact customer service for any technical issues regarding your Tranz Volt.